Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to see jobs you applied for on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go on your LinkedIn account. Now in this option you have to go for jobs, then go for my jobs. So you can see that the job application what you applied for. So you can see all of these jobs you applied for. So this is how you can see jobs you applied for on LinkedIn. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.